Yo, what's going on folks, Retrospective Dave here, and in this video, we're going to be legit checking the Air Jordan 4 in the wet cement colorway. Now if this is your first time visiting the channel and you ordered this sneaker from Stockx, Go, or Flight Club, I try my best to provide you with detailed legit checks so that you can rest assured that you got what you intended to pay for, which I'm assuming is an authentic sneaker. So if this type of content piques your interest, definitely consider subscribing, and without further ado, let's get into the shoe. So first, you want to make sure that your sneakers are individually wrapped when you take them out of the box. Next, you want to make sure that you have a woven footbed with dark gray lines. You also want to check for your shoe size that would be printed on the footbed as well. If you're looking at the right shoe, then your shoe size will be printed to the right, and if you're looking at the left, then your shoe size will be printed to the left. So when inspecting your insoles, please make sure that your sizing stickers are below the Jumpman. Stickers can easily be removed or fall off, especially if you're buying them used, but if you're buying your shoes brand new, please make sure that the stickers are intact. All right folks, moving on to the factory code. So my factory code reads LN3. If you have a different factory code than what you see on screen here, definitely put it in the comment section below. Because the sneaker was relatively limited, I do not expect too many factory codes to be a part of producing this particular sneaker, maybe 2 maximum. So if you have a different factory code than what you see here, definitely put it in the comment section below. So as far as your production dates go, you do want to make sure that your left and right shoes share the same production dates. The dates that you see on screen here may not match the ones that you see on your pair, but they should be within the same ballpark. In the event that your dates do not match on your left and right shoe, that doesn't mean that your pair is necessarily fake, but it is becoming a standard for your left and right shoe to share the same production dates. So my pair did not come with a warning label that addresses the material or what to expect when you wear the shoe. I'm assuming that all of the pairs that came from the Sneakers app, which is where my pair came from, won't have the tag, and all of the pairs that were sent out to the stores like Foot Locker, Champs, and all of those other retail stores, those pairs will have the tag. I do not know that for a fact. That's just my educated guess. So let me know in the comment section if that's accurate. So when it comes to Jordan 4s, usually the wingtips will have 6 dots behind them. This is not the case for this particular Jordan 4 here, so keep that in mind when you're inspecting your shoe at home. As for black lighting your sneakers, this is definitely a method of authenticating that I highly recommend. So if you have a black light, definitely use that on your sneakers. When you apply black light to this particular sneaker, the only part of the shoe that will illuminate will be the air bubble. You will have a little bit of light on the laces as well, but it will be very minimal and it will reflect a light pink color. All right folks, last but not least, when you pull back the box label, you will see some sort of chip behind it. It could be either for the product identity or the authenticity. Also, there are no stickers or stamps underneath your box lid. There will be one YCM sticker inside of the box. There are no stickers or stamps underneath the box, and the official colorway for this shoe is smoke gray and iron gray. All right folks, and that'll do it for this legit check on the Air Jordan 4 in the wet cement colorway. If you got something useful out of this video, definitely hit the like, consider subscribing if you haven't already. Also hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload new content. And if you have any more questions about this particular sneaker that I didn't address in the video, feel free to put it in the comment section, or feel free to reach out to me on Instagram at Retrospective Dave. I appreciate you all tuning in. Stay fresh, blessed, and free of stress, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.